Welcome, it's DC, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys price action strategies that we can make use in volatility 75 and boom and crash. So basically that's what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using price action to determine and predict the price direction, and we're trying to focus where the price is going to move and what is currently taking place in this market. So our focus is on volatility 75 and all the boom and crash indices. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's look at what we have. So if you go on the daily time frame, so we are in volatility 75, we are on the daily time frame. This is what I can see. So the market has been moving down. It has been moving down. Then when it got to this point, there was a breakout on this trend line. The market was able to break out at this point and it continued moving up. But when the price got to this level, okay, when price got to this level, we can see here there was the appearance, there was a resistance, and we can also see that there was the appearance of an appearance of pin bars, which was indicating that the price was about to reverse. So we talked about the pin bar strategies, and we can also see that when the price got to this resistance, the price was now moving down. So price will never move in a straight line. It will always make these zigzags. It will always make these high highs and high lows, high lows. So this is the movement that the price will make. So the reason why price reversed at this point, it was because of this point where price got to this point and it reversed up. So this is the reason why price reversed and it's now currently here. So if we join these high lows, we have point A and we have this point B. So we are anticipating that at this point C, that price is going to reverse and continue to go up and break this level. So this is what I'm currently anticipating. Okay, so we are anticipating that when price gets to this level, price is going to reverse and probably break this our swing high and create another swing high. The continuation of a bullish movement, a bullish trend is going to continue. So at this price, we are anticipating that price is going to reverse. Price is likely going to reverse and start moving upwards. So this is the zone. So for you to be in a position where you can see this clearly, you need to switch from a candlestick chart to a line chart. This is the line chart. You'll be able to have a clear view of what is taking place in the market. So we are anticipating that during this zone, it's a zone, price is likely going to reverse and go upwards. So what is going to be our target? So let's look for a recent level where price is going to recently okay, we are anticipating that price probably is going to reach that level. This is what we are anticipating. So we are expecting price to reach this lower trend line, and we are not going to instantly enter. I normally trade there are a lot of trading strategies. So we will wait one for a pin bar, or we can wait for an engulfing candle at this position. So we are anticipating that price will drop and reach this lower trend line. Then when it reaches this lower trend line, we are going to wait probably for an engulfing candle. Like here we had an engulfing candle, which was indicating that the price was now about to move. So you wait for a pattern here. You wait for a pattern here, which will indicate that the price is about to move up. So this is what I'm anticipating, that when price reaches this zone, price is going to give us a signal, be it a pin bar, be it an engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing candle at this price, and price is going to continue going up. So let's just be patient and wait for price to give us a signal at this zone. We don't just trade trend lines blindly. We need a signal that will tell us now price is about to move up. So let's just be patient and wait. But we can now see that these candles are now having some wicks, which is indicating a form of what? Of rejection, like what happened previously. We can see that here when price reversed, there was this pin bar which indicated that the price was about to go up. So this is part of my strategy that I'm going to present when I'll be talking about pin bars and trend lines. That's another strategy that I will present. So this is what I'm anticipating in Volatility 75. So let's look at the other. Let's go to boom and crash. Let's go to boom and crash. So I'm gonna start with Crash 1000. So we can see Crash 1000 was just moving down. It has been moving down. It has been moving down, and we can see that here price is moving in a channel, and it's in so the overall trend that we have is it's a bearish trend. The price is in a downtrend, but we are having a period where price is in the internal structure that we have here is bullish, although the overall or the external structure is bearish. So we are anticipating here. So let me see if we have a zone at this price. Okay, we have a trend line here. So price was moving down until it was able to break here and made a retest at this zone, and we are anticipating price to continue moving up. So it'll be difficult for us to do anything currently because one, the price is not on our resistance, the price is not on our trend line. So we draw this trend line so that we wait for price to give us a signal on this zone. Trading Crash 1000 now, it will be a little bit difficult because you are not sure of what is going to likely take place, but we would rather wait for this for price to approach these zones. Would rather wait for price maybe probably come and retest this area because it was able to break this resistance. It will probably turn into a support when price gets to this point, and that's the difficulty of trading price when it's between these zones. You'd rather wait for price to reach this zone and probably give you a signal at this price and it will move down. So for now it will be difficult. Maybe price will just drop a little bit, reach this point, or it can even reach this zone and continue to go upwards. So trading Crash 1000 will be a little bit tricky because probably when you try to sell, there is a likelihood that the price will just continue to go up and reach this zone. This will be the perfect time where you can start selling and looking for selling opportunities when price has reached our resistance. So currently it will be a little bit tricky to trade Crash 1000. Let's look at Boom 1000. There's something interesting in Boom 1000. So we can see that price is in a range. Price is in a range. The price was moving down, got to this point, went up, came down, went up, came down. At this point, didn't go up. Then it came back at this point. So there are two things that are likely going to take place. There can be a double bottom. A double bottom. This is the first, and this is the second bottom. So probably price will reverse and go and reach this part, but we are not sure of that. There is also a probability that price will just continue moving down. That possibility is there because overall Boom 1000 is in a downtrend. It's bearish, but we can see that price is consolidating, price is ranging at this zone. So there are high chances that price will reverse and reach this part. But whenever you see price moving like this, there is a possibility before the price reverses. In most cases, price will normally form a range. It will normally form a range before it breaks and goes up. So we are not sure. Price can even go down, but at this point we are going to wait again. We'll wait for probably a rejection candle. For example, here we have we have a pin bar, a bullish pin bar. So we can wait again and see if price is going to give us something that we can make use of. So currently it's a little bit tricky, but this is the zone where you can look for buying opportunities. So price is on that zone currently. So if you are able to identify maybe a reversal pattern, maybe the inverted head and shoulder, or maybe the double bottom that is likely going to to take place if price reverses, that will be a very strong reversal signals, because I'm anticipating that if there is a rejection on this area, maybe some pin bars or engulfing candle, there is a likelihood that the price is going to move up and it will form a double bottom and it will go up. Okay, let's go on Crash 1000. Let's look at Crash 300. So with Crash 300, we have the same thing here. Price was moving down, got to this point, went up, came down, went up to test this resistance, it's about to go down. It has been moving down for a very long time. So we are anticipating that price is likely going to reach this zone. This is the zone where you are going to look for buying opportunities, because now there's much that you can do at this zone, at this current price. Wait for the price to reach this zone, wait for an engulfing candle, wait for a pin bar at this zone, and you can move up with the market. There's a likelihood that the price is going to reverse, but we should never rule out the fact that price can also break this support and continue to go down. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing in Crash 1000, Crash 300. So let's look at Boom. Boom is a little bit tricky. I don't understand what Boom is trying to do, but we can see that Boom was moving down and it was able at this point to break. So I normally use a line graph, it's more accurate, you can see the points easily. So it was able to break this trend line, and it's now moving up. It's now bullish. You can see the high highs and the high lows. It created a high here, and there is a likelihood at this point we can see this bearish pin bars. There is a possibility that price is going to be rejected, but I can see now this candle, this daily candle. I'm not sure if price is going to continue going up, but let's go to the 4-minute time frame. It's a little bit tricky. I wouldn't want to trade. It's price, we can safely say that price is in a range. It's ranging. Price is ranging, it's moving up and down, up and down. Here we can see that there was a double top, price came down, but we are not really sure what is going to take place. But there is a great likelihood that the price is going to continue moving up. There is a great possibility that price is going to continue moving up. But basically this is what is taking place, I think. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing in Boom 500. You can see that the price is ranging. So there is a resistance here and there's also a support here. So the price has reached a support and is likely going to continue here. So you during this phase, it's a little bit difficult. You'd rather wait maybe for price to break this level, or maybe for price to reverse and come down, but there's a likelihood, a great possibility that the price is going to continue going up. So in boom 500, this is what is taking place. So let's look at the other okay, in boom 300, we can see that currently, if you go to the daily time frame, price has been moving down, and at this point it seems like price failed to make a low. It was moving down, low high, low high, low high, and then it failed to make a low. So this is the first sign when there is a break of structure, when price fails to make a low. It's a first sign that there is a likelihood that the price is going to reverse. So this is the first stage. So we've marked our swing low and our swing high. This is the immediate high point, and this is the immediate low point. So price is likely going to move up. So let's go to the 4-minute time frame. So currently this is what is taking place. If the price is moving in this channel, so at this price has reached this level, and we can't call it a pin bar, but there is more buying pressure at this level, and this week is reflecting a rejection. So price is likely going to move up. There is a high possibility, and now it becomes clear. I'm happy that here we have a pin bar. This is a pin bar. So the trend line strategy that I'm going to be talking about will be basically talking about this, that in most cases, whenever you see a pin bar, price is on a trend line, there is a likelihood that the price is going to reverse and go up, which is what is taking place here. We have the appearance of a pin bar on a trend line, and also this candle, there is a great possibility that the price is going to continue going up. So this will be your first target. You should take your profit at this level, and there is a possibility that the price is going to continue and break probably this level and create. So the price has created a high low, and there is a possibility that the price, when it moves up, it is going to break this level and probably create a high probably on this this level. Maybe when price moves up, I think if you're going to be trading, I think boom 300 will be very, very easy to trade. Probably price is gonna come and reach this level, so this is going to be your target. So this boom 300, it will be easy to trade. You'll be just buying, and the price is gonna take you to these levels. Then let's go to Crash. Let's go to Crash. You can see, so what are the services that we offer on this channel? We offer one, let me talk about the spike detector, DC spike detecting system. So this is the system that we currently have. So it's a spike catching system. So we have this spike detector, the DC spike detector, and if you're interested, use the contact details that are there in the description so that you can get this spike detector. So we have the spike detector for boom and crash, all the boom and crash indices. There is a spike detector for each, and they are very, very cheap. They are very, very cheap, very, very affordable. So you can use the details that are there to get this spike detecting system. Okay, and we also provide signals in our VIP group. We have a VIP group for WhatsApp where we provide signals for booming crash and also volatility. All the derived synthetic indices, we provide signals. So you can also join our signals group. And we also have mentorship classes. If you are a beginner trader and you want to learn how to trade booming crash, you can get in touch and you can be part of our mentorship programs. And we also have more indicators. We have indicators to trade volatility, we have indicators that can help us to swing trade, and we also have EAs. We have trading robots. I have trading robots for boom and crash, for spike, for scalping, and also for swing trading. And we also have the volatility. We also have volatility. Our volatility EA, which is doing wonders. So this is the EA. You can see it took $19 into a profit of nearly 500 US dollars. So this is the volatility EA that we have, and it's doing wonders. This EA is doing wonders. If you're interested in this EA, you can get in touch. And we have a lot of EAs, spike EAs. I've created a lot of spike EAs. You see the DC spike detection system. I've used it to create some EAs. So we now have EAs for the spike system. So we have spike EAs for booming crash indices. So this is what we currently have. So thank you guys for your time. If you have enjoyed this, please make sure you like and you subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now.